Hey guys, this is a portable espresso machine. This particular one is made by BeanzTrip. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing video and a quick demonstration and a review. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right to it. It comes in this really cool box. It could be a really nice and presentable gift. A really nice bag, very soft. And here's the machine itself. Cord. This is the cup. You can use this for drinking. This is a stainless steel wrench, kind of like tightener. Okay. And inside the box we have the Nespresso adapter. This is the second cup. And the measuring cup for ground beans. So this is the USB charging port right here, USB-C. And this is the power button right here. So let's go ahead and make some coffee. Remove this cup. Unscrew the espresso pod. Open this lid. You can also use this measuring cup. This is also a tamper. Make sure to cover with this lid. And screw this in here. Then tighten with this wrench. Place this over your cup. Just like that. Remove the water cap and fill to the desired level. I'm just going to put it at 50 milliliters. Just using regular room temperature water. This is the power button. Press and hold for 1 second until the light goes on. Then release, and then you have under 5 seconds to just press once to get it going. Now it's going to warm up the water. Takes 3 to 5 minutes if you're just using room temperature water. There you go. A fresh cup of espresso. You can also use Nespresso pods. Just go ahead and remove the cup. Remove this. Take this adapter and put the pod in there. And then put this over like that. And then screw this in. Put the water in here. You can also use hot water. It'll speed up the process dramatically. So on regular room temperature water, it'll take about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. On hot water, it'll take less than a minute to make espresso. So once again, press and hold to turn it on. As soon as you see the lights here, you have about 5 seconds to just click to start making espresso. When using hot water, it'll make many espresso cups. If you're using just regular room temperature water, it'll make about 5 on a full charge battery. This device is super convenient when traveling, especially camping, day trips, going outdoors for picnics. And another thing that I really would like to use it for is in hotel rooms. That's awesome. Here you go. Now I'm going to do the Nespresso pod. So that just goes in here. Check that out. Another convenience is that it charges with the USB-C cord, which is the cord that I use for my phone. And the fact that everything is complete in this set, even the cup is included with this. The only thing that you'll need is the coffee itself. It's built very well, has very solid materials. All the stainless steel inside of it is pretty cool quality, very good quality there. And all the parts are actually pretty good quality as well. It's not just a flimsy machine. It's actually a very nice, good quality, portable espresso machine.